Hello my friends, thank you for joining me today. We're going to be making some chicken taquitos, and for this recipe, which is very simple, you will need some shredded chicken. This is about 2 cups of shredded chicken that I have left over from last night's dinner. And then you're going to need 6 tortillas, corn tortillas. What I do is I wrap them in a paper towel, and then I will warm them up for 2 minutes in the microwave so they can soften up a little bit. And you're also going to need a hot skillet with oil. Okay, the next step is that once your tortillas have been warmed up in the microwave, as you can see, these are already warmed up, they're soft. Okay, so now you're going to grab a little bit of your chicken and just put it like in the middle and start rolling up real tight, as tight as you can. Start rolling up your tacos, your tortillas. Put it aside and proceed. Continue doing the same thing. Okay, just keep rolling them, doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, it's easy to do. Just keep doing the same thing. And keep rolling till you have all your taquitos ready. As you can see, I have all my taquitos rolled up and ready to be fried. Once your skillet is hot, you will add plenty of oil so you could fry your taquitos. And here we go, we're going to start the process. Okay, I'm doing it in a large skillet, that way we could fry them all at the same time. As you can see, I placed all my taquitos on the skillet. That way it'll be easier and faster, and our dinner should be cooked very soon. So you just let them fry for a minute or so. Depends how crunchy you like them. If you like them soft, then you just give it a few seconds. Depends how crunchy you like them or how soft you like them. Since my skillet was hot, after about 30 seconds or so, I started turning them. And look, these are already browned on the other side. Now we're just going to turn the rest of them. It looks like my taquitos are ready, and it didn't even take that much time. This is a very easy dinner to make. When you're in a rush, all you do is roll up your taquitos and then just fry them. Just takes a couple minutes. I'm going to show you another little trick for making a fast guacamole salsa. I do have some leftover green salsa from yesterday. It's about a cup, and I do have some leftover avocado, half of an avocado. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blend the half avocado with the cup of salsa. I always use my leftovers. I don't like to throw away food. I always use all my food because it's very expensive. And so I invented this little hack, and it's worked beautifully. It is so delicious. You will see in a minute. We're going to blend it together, and then you'll see that it will turn out to be a wonderful, delicious guacamole salsa. Okay, as you can see, my friends, I've already blended my avocado with my salsa, and this is what turned out. A very thick and yummy avocado green salsa, which you will pour on top of your tacos, your taquitos. Doesn't that look delicious? There you have it. They look just like the ones in the restaurants. Voila. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great dinner. Bye-bye.